Yeah, so here's the Equinox. I already de-trimmed it and we wrote the estimate. I got my new gate back there already painted. The bumper has some repairs to it that's already painted, so just got to get this one off, get the other one over here, put it on. I got to take this spoiler off before I can get it out, because the harness sits under it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, get the other gate over here, put the bumper together, then you know, get back with y'all. So all right, got this thing just about ready to come off. I got the spoiler off. You have to take the spoiler off before you can get the gate off, because this goes to the spoiler and you have to pull this harness through the gate before you can pull the gate off. I got the spoiler here inside the car. You got these 310s that go here in the middle for the spoiler, and then you got a couple of Torx 30s to go along the side. On both sides, you got a applique that goes there too. So a couple of those 30s go to the applique, a couple go to the spoiler. So get those out, and then you have to, when you go to get the spoiler out, as long as you got all the bolts out, what I kind of do is I just kind of take my hand here to where the spoiler comes over this window. I just push it up, just kind of tap it up until it knocks those push pins out right there. So that's my method. Somebody might got a better method, but that's just what I do. So take these 4 bolts out. I'm gonna undo my shocks, and then I'm gonna take it off and set it on these stands here. I got one stand for the old one, I got a new one right next to it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I got this gate on. As you see, I pulled my harness through. I've test fitted my fitment body lines. I put my reverse lights in to test fit them to the tail lights to see how my gap was. It was cool, so I might rock out with it. I might adjust it a little bit more, but I don't know. So now I have to get this harness, these little pads, all that over to the new gate. Got Gotta call a glass company so they can come and put glass, swap the glass, but that'll probably be Monday. Get all these little weather strip grommets or whatnot switched over. So I'm about to do.
I just wanna apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change. The ones who thought was your right hand. And them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off. That's how you know that baby with it. But when them stage lights on, he don't hear nothing.